What about you?
I'm doing okay. Glad to meet you.
Thank you. It's nice to meet you too.
Mahavish, do you know what is the importance of today?
No, can you tell me please?
Today is Vasanta Panchami.
Yeah, I got it.
आंटी को वेट बचाई
We wish you all a happy Vasanta Panchami.
Let's get back to our English meet. Pramoda, do you know what is the importance of Children's Speak Up?
I don't know.
Let us see by a poem of speech by Shweta of 6th class. We welcome Shweta.
Good evening to all. I am Shweta, 11-year-old girl of Sri Salem West, delivering this speech at the DAV High School in Eagle Penta. On February 5th, 2022, I express my grief on how we have been polluting our surroundings. We are making holes in the ozone. We are polluting the air with chemicals. We are polluting even the water. We are polluting even the water. So I am afraid that plants and animals would disappear one day. I also express my concern on how we I also express my concern for the poor and the starving children. I wish for the forests which were full of wild animals and trees. I request the elders to give all the children to live happy and healthy life. I ask us not to pollute our surroundings. I advise us that we should make our actions reflect in our words. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.
Yeah, now I understood the meaning of importance of Children's Speak Up.
Pramoda, can you tell me about tense structure and examples?
Yes, but not me. Nabila and Sindhu of class 9 will explain us.
Namaste to everyone. Now we are going to perform a conversation about tenses.
Hey Nabila, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I too. I guess you know I am absent yesterday.
Yes, I know.
What did our teachers teach yesterday?
Our English teacher taught about tenses.
Oh, it's interesting. Can you tell about the tenses?
Yes, for sure. I will tell the structures of the tenses. Can you guess the examples?
Yeah. Now let's try it.
Simple present tense, subject plus V1 plus object.
I speak English.
Present continuous tense, subject plus am is plus V4 plus object.
I am speaking English.
Present perfect tense, subject plus have or has plus V3 plus object.
I have spoken English.
Present perfect continuous tense, subject plus will have been or has been plus V4 plus object.
I have been speaking English.
Simple past tense, subject plus V2 plus object.
I spoke English.
Past continuous tense, subject plus was plus V4 plus object.
I was speaking English.
Past perfect tense, subject plus had plus V3 plus object.
I had spoke English. I had spoken English.
Past perfect continuous tense, subject plus had been plus V4 plus object.
I had been speaking English.
Simple future tense, subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object.
I shall speak English.
Future continuous tense, subject plus will be or shall be plus V4 plus object.
I shall be speaking English.
Future perfect tense, subject plus will have or shall have plus V3 plus object.
I shall have spoken English.
Future perfect continuous
continuous tense. Subject plus will have been or shall have been plus people plus object. I shall have been speaking English. Thank you.
Do you know in our school they are saying riddles in assembly?
Wow, it's nice. Can you ask me some of them?
Yes, why not? Where do we find ocean? Yes, you are correct.
Can I ask you one more?
Yes.
What we can catch but not we can't throw.
I can't say, Maharish.
Let's ask them. Can you say? It is cold.
Ask some more riddles, Maharish.
I will not ask. Let's welcome Niharika and Pravali of 8th class to ask some more riddles. Let's welcome them.
Namaste and good evening to all. We, Vairoli and Niharika of class 8, we would like to share some riddles to enhance our knowledge.
Hi Ravali, how are you?
Hi Niharika, I am good. What about you?
I too fine. What are you doing now?
Nothing.
Okay, I'll ask some riddles. You can answer them to enhance our knowledge.
Okay, I also have some more riddles to share with you.
Before you use me, you break me. What am I? Correct answer, egg.
I am a color, but you can eat it. What am I?
Correct answer. When I am black, I am clean. When I am white, I am dirty. Who am I? Correct answer, blackboard.
I have branches, but no leaves, no trees, no trunk. What is it? I repeat it. I have branches, but no leaves, no trees, no trunk. What is it? Bank.
A man died in his old age, but he is celebrating 25th birthday. How it is possible? I repeat it. A man died in his old age, but he is celebrating 25th birthday. How it is possible? He is born on 29th Feb.
I have head and a tail, but no legs. What am I? I have a head and a tail, but no legs. What am I? Coin.
Two keys cannot open any door. What is it? Correct answer, donkey and monkey.
I have 88 keys, but no one can open the door. What is it? Piano. I am a number. If you remove one number, it becomes even. What is it? I repeat it. I am a number. If you remove one letter, it becomes even. What is it? Correct answer.
I have 4 fingers, 1 thumb, but I am not living thing. Who am I? Correct answer, louse.
It belongs to you, but